With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here is a question in which the efficiency of packing in simple cubic unit cell is option first pi by 6, option second root 3 pi by 8, option third root 2 pi by 6, option fourth pi by 16. Now firstly we know about what is the formula of packing efficiency, and the formula of packing efficiency is equal to total volume occupied upon total volume available multiplied by 100. So the packing efficiency is equal to Z into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here 4 by 3 pi r cube, this is the volume of a sphere upon a cube, and this is the volume of cube into 100. And here Z is effective number of atoms per unit cell. And for PCC, or we can say simple cubic cell, SCC is equal to 1, because of in PCC atoms are present only corner. So the Z is equal to 1 by 8 into 8 is equal to 1. 1 by 8, it is the contribution at corner, and 8 atom is present at corner. Now we solving, we get 1. Now we discuss the packing efficiency is equal to 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube upon a cube. Now we discuss a figure. This is our cube and this is our sphere. So here this is the edge length of a cube and this is the radius of a sphere, r and r. So the relation between a and r is equal to a is equal to 2r. Now put the value of a, then the packing efficiency is equal to 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube upon 2r cube. Now we solving, we get 4 by 3 pi r cube upon 8 r cube. R cube is cancelled out and 2 4s are 8, then we get pi by 6. So our correct option is option number first. The packing efficiency in simple cubic cell is pi by 6. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.